Good afternoon. My name is Keith Renno with the Renno lending team of Prospect Mortgage, your nation's largest privately held direct lender. I want to discuss a couple of things in this week's mortgage update: interest rates and FHA loans. If you haven't yet already heard, over the past few months, interest rates have been trending upwards. Within the past 2 weeks, we actually had 8 consecutive days of rates going up. Right now, rates got a little bit better, and I mean within the last couple of days, but today, February 16th, rates are starting to, again, go back up. Rates right now, you can still obtain a 30-year fix below 5%, but I think within the next few months and certainly throughout 2011, we'll continue to see that upward trend and rates get to 5 and even above 5% on a 30-year fixed loan. And it certainly depends on the day and whether or not you're paying points on that loan, but the overall trend for interest rates, whether it's a 5-year ARM, a 15-year fixed, a 30-year fixed loan, is going to be upwards here, in 2011. Now, want to touch on FHA loans. 60 to 70% of the loans that we do throughout Southern California are FHA loans. Myself, I'm in the Santa Clarita Valley and the Los Angeles area, and it's the same thing. Majority of the financing for someone taking out a loan on an owner-occupied property is typically an FHA loan. Now, the good news for FHA financing is that the credit score requirements are starting to open up. Before, we typically had a benchmark credit score of 620 to 640. We can now go all the way down to a 580. So if you have been told that you are unable to obtain a home loan because you have a low credit score in the past, go ahead and look to revisit that option. Do feel comfortable contacting myself because, again, the credit scores have lowered, so there's more opportunities out there for folks to take out home loans. Again, my name is Keith Renno with the Renno lending team of Prospect Mortgage. Please do feel comfortable contacting me and stay tuned to this site because we're going to continue to bring you important updates throughout the year and certainly on a weekly basis. My direct line is 661-513-3118. That's 661-513-3118. And thank you for spending a few minutes with me here today.